7 years. It marks a beginning of a movement that we believe can shape the future of our profession and contribute meaningfully to the future of our nation. Every day, more than 1 billion people, more than 1 billion Indians place their trust in people who they never meet. A farmer, a transporter, a supplier, a manufacturer, a distributor, and finally a chef. Every meal served is an act of trust. That trust must never be broken. People often say that chefs cook food. I believe we do far more than that. We protect families, we protect children, we protect travelers, we protect businesses, we protect reputation of our country. The uniform we wear is not just a chef coat, it's a public health uniform. And why all this is very important for us? Because India is emerging as global culinary destination, and at the same time Indian food is gaining popularity globally. And I personally believe that next 20 years is going to be ruled by Indian food across the globe. As tourism, hospitality and food businesses continue to grow, food safety becomes a national responsibility. Excellence will be no longer be measured only by taste, but excellence will be measured by trust. Today we are also proud to partner with Indian Institute of Immunology, and we are conducting a hepatitis A vaccination drive. So any one of you are interested, we have a booth separately, you can come and take that shot as well. It reflects that our belief of protecting what who prepare is very, very important. Today, as TCA, we are making a commitment, not for one event, not for 1 year, but at least for next 5 years. Safe food and safe nation. And when we talk about safe food and safe nation, it does not limit to the hygiene and safety of food in our kitchens, but it starts from farming to what happens to the end plate. It means ensuring safety across the entire food ecosystem, from the producer to the farm to the final plate. And we will champion this education, training, certification, innovation and collaboration to create a culture where safe food is a standard, not an exception. What we are also doing this year is we are signing a lot of MOUs with a lot of government organizations. GHMC will be signing a MOU with Tourism Board, Food Biodiversity Board, and also with the FSSAI. And we are going to take this as a serious challenge. And my request and encouragement to every single person, whether you're a chef, a student, a culinarian, whoever, that we really need to come together, make our state, our city, and then our nation safer in terms of food. So with that, I will not take much time. I extend my sincere gratitude to every member, partner, sponsor, volunteer who have sleepless nights for last couple of days, well-wishers who have made this journey possible. And let's take a pledge that together, let's build a safer nation in terms of food. So safe food, safe nation. Thank you and have a wonderful celebration.